Let's move to the applications of electroplating. So, electroplating is done to protect the metal which is underneath and to produce an attractive finish. So, a large variety of artificial jewelry is made of an ordinary metal and plated with silver or gold to give it a real look. Because everybody cannot buy the pure gold. So here you can see gold plating in which there is coating of gold on other metal which is cheaper one. Here you can see silver plating. If silver is coated on other material, then that is called silver plating. So even the silver items are plated with gold also. Nowadays, chromium plating is very common. Chromium plating is done on many objects such as car, parts, bathtubs, kitchen gas burners, bicycle handlebars, wheel rims, and many other to make them look attractive and shiny. So why we have chosen chromium? Because it is a durable material as it does not corrode and has shiny appearance. It is scratch resistant. It does not get scratched. And chromium is since chromium is expensive, whole appliances or objects cannot be made of it. Therefore, only a layer of it is coated over the cheaper material. So here you can see electroplated car parts and a tap electroplated with chromium. Now here you can see tin coating. Since tin is less reactive than iron, it is used to electroplate metals to make tin cans. Tin cans are used for storing food as it does not let iron come into contact with food, therefore protecting the food from getting spoiled. Next is zinc coating. So a coating of zinc is also done in the iron articles to protect it from corrosion. And this process is known as galvanization. Zinc coating is done to make bridges, then iron sheets, iron pipes. They are coated with zinc to protect iron from rusting. This makes the iron resistant to corrosion and provides strength to the bridge or the other parts of iron. The electroplating process has a lot of risk factors. The waste which is left after electroplating is highly hazardous and it needs to be treated before disposing them off. The electrolyte which is used in electroplating factories are major environmental concern if they are disposed of untreated. So pollution department has made specific guideline to make it less toxic for safe disposal. There is many health issues also, or we can say risk also. The chrome plate itself is not toxic, but most chrome plating is done in a bath of chromic acid, which is considered cancer causing. So the cause of, and it can be a cause of some occupational hazards means those who are in this occupation, they will suffer from many health risks such as chrome sores, chrome ulcers and perforated septums. These are some of the problems they are facing. But still chrome plating is popular in industries because of its low cost, easy processing and the range of applications. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.